I barely caught that.
Come on, my guy. Number 22.
What I was gonna say, they was acting like some hoe. I could tell they was acting like some hoes when we walked in here.
Oh, the front lady?
Hell yeah. I mean, they could have just been asking, but I don't ever remember them asking people on Mondays for their cards. I thought you should just walk in this bitch.
No, they've been doing that, man.
So people can't come watch people play?
Yeah, you can. That way Mondo be coming through.
They say like they're about to stop us because when me and Josh walked in, the lady at the front desk is like, oh, can I see your cards or whatever?
She knows y'all though.
Yeah, and I was like, oh, I'm here to help Madden them with the league. And she was like, oh, okay. And then the other lady just waved at us, the one that worked in the thing. I just think, and then I walked, I purposely didn't say shit to Robin, bitch ass. Fuck that nigga.
The guy down the hall.
Okay, you gotta believe this. You gotta believe it.
That's always like, yeah, what's the name? Like, what? What's the repercussions? Maybe honest. Maybe we should just, I guess we
I should
should
say, hey man, some things were said on here that might need to be covered up.
overlay it, some transitions. This is a steal, this is a steal. Not anymore, you just let him go all the way to the right.
Yeah, I'm gonna sell him second quarter. I'm gonna sell him second quarter the last game. I said, fuck Robin.
Oh, that's my guy. That's my guy. That's my guy.
That boy.
What's his name? That's my guy.
I'm embarrassed to say that.
This is random, bro. You got this random opportunity, but this was up. It's legit.
That's what I was saying. I was like, bro, am I ever gonna not end up at the JCC? I said, am I ever gonna end up not at the JCC?
It is fine. But either way.
Ooh, that boy say he killing him.
Jeez, you got the Cobras? This guy got some J's. For real?
Yeah, I can tell. He's kind of weird though.
Huh.
Oh, which one you talking about?
Oh,
Oh, he gone. The dude I'm talking about had on some fours. They look kind of.
Those are not J's. What the fuck you got on? Look at my guy 39 right here. I'm here with the camo blue shorts.
You like hand-one shoes.
Right?
You thought those are Jordans?
They kind of look from a distance. Then I had to look at them again and I was like, they are not. They look like, what's that one?
Bruh.
With the outline that had like the outline one color. You know what I'm talking about?
What if I zoomed in on? What are those?
You seen that one guy? He was taking shots and he was like this. He was like killing his handle of liquor. He was like, he killed the nigga. He was like, yeah! And then he like, oh, he's like, oh, what's going on? He's like,
I think I have some.
what are those?
Yeah, I think I have seen that shit. I've seen some video like that, like some nigga acting crazy or some shit.
You seen the one where, damn, that's an old ass Vine where they walked into the party? Ooh, catch the foul, my guy. Did you catch the last couple of seconds of our game, of the regulation?
Hell, I was up here.
You didn't?
Oh, did Josh know you didn't catch it?
I don't know. I don't think so. Bro,
Because he was up here telling us how to do this shit.
We won last second.
Oh, there he go with the Kyrie.
Yeah, it was the Kyrie. But he went the wrong way. You need to spin. You need to go into the basket and then spin on the outside leg.
That dude look like he isn't from the 60s.
My guy right here with this guy?
Number 31.
He looked like a... Cameron Mitchell. Mitchell.
Time out.
That's